Hello, today we will guide you through how to change time zone in Thinkorswim. If the timestamps on your charts don't match your local time or the market you follow, adjusting the platform's time zone will make everything, from chart x-axes to order times, line up exactly how you expect. This quick walkthrough will show you where to find the setting and how to choose the right time zone, with a few tips to avoid common confusion along the way. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform on your computer. Give it a moment to load until you're on the main workspace. You don't need a specific symbol or layout for this. The time zone is a general platform preference. So once you set it, it applies across your charts and time-based tools. At the top of the platform, look for the Chart section in the main toolbar. This is where we'll access the settings that control how time is displayed. Go ahead and click Charts to bring a chart into focus. Any chart will do. This process is about the platform settings, rather than a particular ticker. Inside the chart area, locate the settings control. Depending on your layout, you'll typically see a small gear icon near the upper right corner of the chart panel. Click it to open the settings window. In that window, you'll see several tabs or sections. Choose the General tab. This is where Thinkorswim keeps broad preferences like display and default behaviors. In the General tab, find the time zone option. Click the drop-down to open the full list of available time zones. The list is organized by region and city, and you may see options such as Eastern Time, is Central Time, is Pacific Time, or other global regions. Select the time zone that matches where you are or the market hours you want to reference. As soon as you choose one, the platform updates its timestamps to reflect that selection. A couple of quick tips. After you make your choice, glance at the chart's x-axis to confirm the times look right for your location or preferred market. If you follow multiple markets, pick the time zone you use most consistently so your analysis stays uniform. Keep in mind that time zones adjust for daylight saving based on the region you select, so you won't need to change the setting seasonally. That's it. Your Thinkorswim environment now displays times in the zone you selected, making your charts, studies, and trade planning clearer and more consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.